screen recorders on the market right now. It's no download and it works for Mac and Linux and Windows Vista or Windows 7 and I think also Windows XP. This first thing we have to do is open up your internet browser. I use Internet Explorer, but you can use whatever you want. Wait. Then go to Google and in Google type in screen toaster. And as you can see, there is no download and it works for Mac, Windows and Linux. And then just press the first link. Come on. Yeah, there we go. And you can see there's a register button. And if you don't have a user, you have to register your user. But I have a user, so I just log in. Remember me and this computer and press login. Okay, you can see welcome Crever35. And when you logged in, you just press start recording. It will load an Java applet, and this will just take a few seconds. So, and there's no virus or anything like that in the software. You can see it just load, and there you go. Screen Toaster is ready to record. Now you can choose an screen. You can choose full desktop or just rectangular area. You yourself can make larger or smaller. And let's see. We will just capture like this up to 2 seconds. And we will put it there and here and here and here. Okay, and you can see audio. Choose your microphone, and there's also webcam. So you can just press your webcam, and it will show you something whatever you want on your webcam, and then you can press enable geek settings. I don't use these settings, but if you do, you can see record from an VNC server, and you can play backspeed as normal or 10 and 0.5. But I don't use these settings, so I just record like I will do now. Now see, the recording will begin in 5 seconds. Okay, you can see here is how much it fills, and this is the length of our video. I press stop recording, and you can see this will be our recorded thing. And now we are going to upload to YouTube or upload to Screen Toaster, and or save as a movie file or as a SWF file. But if you save as a SWF file, you don't have you can't have sound on or webcam on, because it's just an experimental project, so it's not fully constructed yet. But I just want to upload to YouTube, and as you can read here, it says the video should be available in high definition on YouTube, and you just fill in your login information. Title. And just okay, and press upload. You can type whatever you want here, and you can see it will begin to upload to YouTube. This will take a few minutes, but yeah. I pause the video now and wait I already have uploaded a video before, so we can just go in and see. It will be in high definition. So I just cancel this, and I'll find my test videos as I recorded. You can see here. This is test movie 2, and you can press YouTube high definition, and look how good it looks. I'll play it from beginning, and there you go. You can see it's a good quality. That's all from Tech Show, and please subscribe me and uh, rate and add me as friend if you have any questions, and then just comment. Thank you for watching my video. That's all from Tech Show.